Hi there, it's Yasser Mahmood, the web guy here, and thanks for checking out this Pinterest YouTube tutorial video. If you haven't already checked out the first video I made on Pinterest about how to set up a Pinterest account, please head over to the description below and click on the link to learn how to set it up. But if you've already done that, then we'll move on to setting up a private board and a public board. So what you want to do first is click on your name and then click on create board. Then we want it to be secret, so we just highlight that one and we name it, I don't know, video games. And we can click create. Then we can add sections, so we have different ones. So it's locked, it's got the your padlock saying it's secret one, so we can add a section. But I'm not going to do that right now because it's just showing you that you can keep it a private board. So you can add sections. Go back and create another board. So that's why you can't see any boards. It says no boards there because that's private, not showing. So we'll add it and we'll call it computer hacks. And then it's not toggled across, so it's still public. We'll click create. And then we can add a section if we want. So I'll just add a section as Google Hacks or something. Google Hacks. And then I'll click add. Then the section added. So if I go back to that one, my name, it's added 19 seconds ago. The other one was added before, but because it was a private one, it won't show. So that's how to create a board. Pins, triads, topics. We'll kind of discover those ones in future videos. This one video is just to show you how to set up and create boards in Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please smash that like button, leave a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And to everybody out there, thanks for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I appreciate that. Until next week, thank you.